So what the wax up is, it's basically taking her existing teeth, adding wax so we can design her veneers exactly how we want them. So this is the wax up. It's the starting point for every cosmetic case. Hey Cass, what is it that you don't like about your smile?
I don't like how my front two teeth are squares.
Okay.
I also don't like how this tooth is shorter than this tooth due because of my gums.
Okay. So if we can look at the gums here. So when we do cosmetic cases, it's not just about the teeth, it's about a harmonious gum gingival profile along the top. So we're actually going to increase the length of our teeth, round the centrals more, and we're going to do a bit of gum surgery on these to make a symmetrical and harmonious gingival profile. And at the end of today, after we've done our preps, we will be putting Cassidy into temporaries that are derived from the wax up based on her recommendations. So stay tuned for that.